There's Adeline trying on her first pair of Christmas shoes. You like them? Do you like your shoes? Do you like your shoes? Yes. They're black and shiny shoes, aren't they? Yeah. You just want to take them off though, don't ya? Mom, what did you put on my feet? You stole your sticker from your pants on there. You were just trying on 12-month-old pants, and they fit pretty good, don't they, honey? But you're only 9 months old. Your legs are too long, honey. Too long. Do you think if we undo the Velcro part that you can get them off? Now try. Try to get that one off. It's a mystery, isn't it? Should we unvelcro the other one? There. Now try. Try to kick them off. What do you think? You think those will still fit you in like 10 days? You think so? Yeah? Yeah. Yeah. You ready to go see all your aunties and uncles and your grandma and grandpa L and your great grandparents and everybody? Huh? Are you ready? You got one off, didn't you? I bet that makes you happy, huh? Okay, honey, say bye-bye. Can you wave bye-bye? Good job. Good job.